Hello everyone! So what's up guys? It's me, Maestra Bicolana TL Itambayan. And ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon is all about food. Okay, so ang food is isa sa area sa TLE. So, part po yan ng board examination natin. Kaya nga yung iba nagtatanong, question number 1, nag-business math kami. Oh my God, may mga credit, debit na pinag-usapan kami doon. So, question number 2, naging tubero ako. So, question number 3, naging tagaluto ako. So, that's life. Okay? Pag TLE major ka, especially kung ang kinuha mo is Bachelor of Technical Vocational Teacher Education, ang ituturo po natin is all about skills. Skills ng estudyante. Kaya ang TLE subject ay hindi nawawala kasi nga dito natin ituturo yung kahasaan ng mga bata. Ano ba yung skills nila? Saan ba sila magaling? Alright, so pag-uusapan natin future LPTs, yung ibang mga lumalabas during the board examination. Kasama na po dito yung sinasabi nating food. Isa sa area ng TLE. Sa TLTVED naman, ito ay Food Service Management. Alright, so tanong na tayo. Pag ang tanong sa board exam is a source of vitamin B1. Source of vitamin B1. O kaya meron siyang thiamine or good for appetite. Anong sagot? Again, pag ang tanong sa board exam, nabasa nyo source of vitamin B1, thiamine or good appetite, the answer is milk. Ano nga po ulit? Milk. So, ano naman ang ibig sabihin ng chon? Shon or C-H-O-N. Ano nga ang shon? C-H-O-N. Ano si C? Ito ay tinatawag nating carbon. Ano nga po ulit si C? Carbon. Ano naman si H? Ito ay hydrogen. O ano naman si O? Ito ay tinatawag nating oxygen. And the last is nitrogen. Ito naman si letter N. So, nabuo natin yung word na Sean. Again, ulitin ko ano si Sean. It is C is for carbon, H is for hydrogen, O is for oxygen, and N is for nitrogen. So, ang Sean po, itong carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and also the nitrogen, it is the chemical formula. Again, ano nga po ulit sila? Chemical formula. For what? For amino acid. So, ibig sabihin, pag sinabi nating amino acid, it is a component of protein. Ano nga po ulit? It is a component of protein. Okay, pag ang tanong sa board examination, may nabasa kayong firm, yet tender to bite. Again, pag ano ang nabasa nyo sa board exam, nabasa nyo tong word na to, firm, yet tender to bite, the answer is al dente. Ano nga po ulit? Al dente. Ano nga po ulit? Al dente. So, yun po yung tinatawag nating firm, yet tender to bite, the answer is al dente. So, pag ang nabasa nyo naman is pastry product. O, ayan, pastry product. So, ang sagot is tender and flaky. Diba ang mga pastry and product, it is tender and also it is a flaky. Okay, again, doon tayo sa components of, sa bread flour. Different types of bread flour. Okay, or flour. Different types of flour, not a bread flour. Sorry for the term. Okay, pag ang tanong naman, ang hinahanap sa types of bread flour, it is the strongest, sweetest, and also ito ay merong gluten na 12 to 14%. Anong types of flour na yon? Again, it is the strongest and sweetest flour. Teachers, 12 to 14% ang gluten. The answer is bread flour. Anong clue word? Bakit bread flour ang sagot? From the word is strongest. Okay, very good. Okay, teachers, doon tayo sa sip flour before measuring. Diba? Pag naggagawa tayo ng flour, ay ng cake, okay, sinisip muna natin yung flour bago natin i-measure. Anong sagot? Sip flour before measuring? The answer is measuring. Nandun na yung mismong sagot. The word measuring. O pag sinabi naman, sugar, butter, egg. O kasama yung tatlo, sugar, butter, egg. Automatic, pag pinag-combine yung tatlo na yan, ang gagawin natin is creaming. Ano nga po ulit? Creaming. O pag sinabi naman natin, yung purpose niya is to beating. It is to incorporate air. Again, ulitin ko. What is, if the question of the board examination is the purpose of beating is to incorporate air? The answer is beating ulit. So, pag ang tanong sa board exam, it is the process. Process naman siya, teachers ha. Process involving pressing, pushing, folding, and stretching of the dough. O, nag-knead tayo. Tapos, in-stretch natin yung dough. Tapos, ginanon-ganon natin. Anong process na yon? The answer is kneading. Ano nga po ulit? Kneading. So, bago tayo gagawa ng isang tinapay or pandesal, dadan tayo sa process na kneading method, which is, yung purpose nun is to press, pushing, folding, stretching the dough. So, that's the kneading process. Next is, pag ang tanong sa board exam naman, if ganito yung tanong, if the nutrients that are responsible in the formation of tissue, ito naman yung formation of tissue in the body. Again, anong nutrients yon? Teachers, anong nutrients yung responsible in the formation of tissues in the body? The answer is protein. Ano nga po ulit? Protein ang sagot. Siya naman yung responsible, especially for formation of the tissue in the body. So, pag ang tanong naman, application of dry heat on cakes, breads, and pastry is called application of dry heat. O, di ba, may moist heat method tayong tinatawag, may dry heat method naman tayong tinatawag. So, ito po ay nasa dry heat method. So, itong application na to, saan siya pasok? Teachers. Application of dry heat on cakes, bread, and pastries is called baking. Ano nga po ulit? Baking. So, pag ang nabasa nyo sa board exam is ito, the right kind means, ano ang ibig sabihin ng the right kind means? The answer is, teachers, what is the answers? The answer is, by those which fits that intended purposes. Yun yung ibig sabihin yan. So, next, pag ang tanong sa board exam is, which is a rich protein, vitamins, merong minerals, and other micronutrients and can be prepared at limited budget. Again, anong isasagot ninyo? Which is a rich protein, vitamins, minerals, and other micronutrients and can be prepared at a limited budget. So, ang sagot is pinakbet with broiled bangus. Ano nga ang sagot? Pinakbet with broiled bangus. Lumalabas to sa board exam. Ito, lumabas to. Fresh na fresh. Added some white wine. Pag nag-add kayo ng white wine and scrape the bottom of the pan, ano ang sagot? Deglazing. Ano nga po ang sagot? Deglazing. O pag ang tanong naman sa board exam, added wine to cook food. Nag-add kayo ng wine sa pagkain. Anong sagot? Flambe. Ano nga po ulit? Flambe. Ang sagot. Ulitin ko kasi dalawa yan. Pag nag-add ka ng some white wine, nabasa nyo white wine and scrape the bottom of the pan. Wala kayong nabasang white wine dyan. Nabasa nyo lang is wine. Ano ang isasagot nyo? Flambe. Pero pag nabasa nyo white wine, nag-scrape pa siya, the answer is deglazing. Pag ang tanong, more than twice, the calorie per gram, more than twice, the answer is fats. Okay, thank you so much. Ito muna po yung pag-uusapan natin sa board examination and I hope you learn more in TLE Majorship. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and share this video. It's me, Maestro Bicolana, TLE Tambayan at your service. Bye!